friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelique. Welcome. Today's tutorial is on this look right here. I wanted to do something that was a little more simple, at least for my channel, and something that I could hopefully edit quicker, because I did do 3 videos this week and I'm super proud of that because I have an actual job to do as well, so time management is a little bit hard for me because I don't have a lot of free time. But I managed to fit in 3 videos this week and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys have really enjoyed it. Don't get used to it because I don't know how long I can keep this up. As always, there will be a lot of links in my description box for other smaller YouTubers. Please check them out and give them a follow. We are all a very supportive community and I would love for you guys to support them as well. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please also follow me on all of my other social medias, which will also be linked in the description box. Thank you so much for checking this out. I hope you guys love it. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, I already have my brows, foundation, moisturizer, all that good stuff on, and I've primed my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. The first shade I'm going to go into is this pink shade in the Juvias Place Zulu palette. I'm going to be taking that on a Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just going to place that in my crease and blend it a little bit above. Once I have the color laid down, then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to blend it right above the pink shade. And then I'm going to go into this yellow shade and I'm going to blend that right above the orange. Next, I'm going to take just a little bit of this purple on an M506 brush. I'm going to place that right where the crease will be, where I'm going to cut it. And then I'm also going to pack that on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using both of these P. Louise bases in the shades Hint of Mint and Touch of Frost. I'm just going to mix those together to make a sort of bluish green pastel color, and I'm only going to cut like half of my crease, maybe 3/4. Next, I'm going to take this Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow in the shade Freedom, and I'm just going to place that right over top of the base. I'm going to leave a little bit of space between that color and that purple shade because we'll go in with another shimmer. Next, I'm going to go in with the Stila Shimmer and Glow in Vivid Amethyst, and I'm going to place that like right where the purple is and where it meets that Freedom shade. And then I'm going to take the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Gypsy to put right in between those 2 shades. I'm going to go ahead and pull off these shadow shields. What else is new? But my camera shut off again. I don't know what it showed. So for my lower lash line, I went with this pink right up against it. And then I went back in with the orange to blend that out. And then the yellow to blend the orange out. And I'm really smoking this out. I don't know what my deal is today. But I'm just like, I mean, I've like blended way into my brows and everything. So I don't know. We're just going to go with it and see what happens. I'm going to take this Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil in the shade Wicked to line my upper waterline. And then I'm also going to just put some black liner right on my lash line, my top lash line, so that my false lashes will blend in. I'm going to go back in with this purple and pick up just a small amount on a flat definer brush, and I'm going to focus that right underneath my lash line. Next, I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs highliner in the buff, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. And then I'm going to go over it with this Makeup A Murder loose neon pigment in the shade purple. For the inner corner, I'm going to lay down a little bit of the P. Louise base in the shade 0, and then I'm going to go over top of it with a neon orange pigment. And that pigment is from Makeup A Murder as well. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like I have a hot Cheeto like in my inner corner. It's kind of funny. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop BFF in black on black, and I'm just gonna put that on my top lashes. For lower lash mascara, I'm gonna go in with Purple Prose. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go in with the ABH Aurora Glow Palette, and I'm going to grab this shade called Eclipse. I'm going to pop on some lashes, and of course, like always, I'm going to use the Lilly lashes in Miami. I'm just going to place a few little pieces of glitter into that inner corner over top of that orange. For highlighter, I'm going to go back into the Aurora Glow palette and grab that orangey shade. I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills St. Tropez Gloss. And I actually don't like how that glitter looks, so I'm going to go in with a different glitter. I'm going to go in with this goldish yellow Midas Cosmetics glitter. I think it's called Sparkled with Love. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the inner corner. Okay, you guys, that concludes my tutorial on this look right here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and follow me on all other social medias, which will be linked in the description box. And I'll see you in the next one.